Hi everybody! So today I wanted to share with you guys fall 2021 trends that I'm loving. And just because I'm loving these trends doesn't mean I'm necessarily going to buy into them or participate in them. I just like fashion and I do like trends at the end of the day, so it's fun for me to talk about them, look into it, and share it with you guys. I'm sweating. I can't even think about fall right now. Okay, so the first fall trend I want to talk about are suit vests. Now, this wouldn't necessarily seem like a fall thing because it's a tank top, it's summery. I literally just thrifted this one today. I got it from the little boys section for 99 cents. So originally I wasn't planning on hopping on this trend, but I did think it was really cute. I have been seeing it on my Pinterest board a lot and I liked it from the first time I saw it. I thought it was really cute. It's definitely right up my alley in style ways because I love matching suits. I love menswear. So the vest just seems like it's right up my alley. Also, last fall, I loved the sweater vest. I still love the sweater vest, still will be rocking the sweater vest. And I feel like along with the sweater vest, there was so many ways to wear that on its own, over a t-shirt, over a button-up, over another sweater, over a hoodie, whatever you wanted to do. I feel like the same way with the suit vest. There are so many ways to wear this. Right now, I'm gonna start wearing it just completely bare underneath because it's still hot outside. But once it gets colder, I think this will still be really easily incorporated in my wardrobe. Last spring on eBay, I bought a leather vest, and I also think those are going to be coming in style again. I recently just thrifted one for my friend Amanda, and it was literally $4. So cute, so perfect. These are really easy to thrift and super inexpensive if you want to try it out. Next, a lot of these trends I'm going to be talking about, this first one was obviously like a significant item. A lot of these are like overall feelings. So last fall I talked about how bright colors were really coming into trend and people were loving like bubblegum pink and orange and bright green, whatever. And I'm not saying those are done. I'm still gonna be wearing the colors I bought last year, but I have been seeing so many just super neutral, basic outfits. It's literally going back to that, like, I see it all over TikTok now. The like model off-duty look where you're wearing really super basic pieces, but if they fit you well or really encapsulate your style, like you can get so many different cuts of a plain white t-shirt. But if you find your one white t-shirt that just screams you, every time you wear it, you're gonna look fashionable. I can feel most confident and fashionable in just jeans and a t-shirt if they're well-fitting and the style I like. Accessorize it in the right way. You can check out one of my later videos on accessories. The shoes and the bag and all of that, I think we're really going back to basics and I love that, whether it's with the colors, the cut, the silhouette, or just like the overall garments. When I think of these back to basics, I really do think of like the core of Matilda Djerf. She's honestly, I think, my style icon. That's such a weird thing to say. She has perfectly encapsulated how to wear like trousers and a sweater and look so effortlessly chic. I think she really hits the mark on going back to basics and neutrals. And just because those things are coming back or I'm seeing a lot more of it doesn't mean the other is gone. I think that those really work into like my style and that's why I'm talking about them, but if you watch someone else's video on trends or somebody else talking about fall trends, they could totally be saying the opposite thing of me, and that's just because that's what they're picking out, that's what they're seeing, that's what's trending to them. It's all subjective, you guys. Something again I've been loving and I've had a lot of this in my closet already, and that's like satin or silk. I've been thrifting little slip dresses since I started thrifting. They're so freaking easy to find. Just go in the pajama section or like where the bras are and you will find so many vintage slip dresses or little slip tops, the skirts you could wear. And recently my new obsession are these satin pair of pajama pants I bought. They're the comfiest pants to ever exist, but also I think they look so chic. They're literally pajama pants, and I went to the thrift store today when I got this, and I literally picked up another pair because I'm so worried of like getting them stained or something happening to them that I needed a backup pair. And they were both 99 cents. When you're shopping from the pajama section at the thrift stores, they are so inexpensive. The last 2 times I've gone, they've had them there, so I love the juxtaposition of it. I did a video where I styled a satin dress from Lulu's, and I put like a camouflage jacket over the top. And again, might not be everybody's cup of tea, but I love the way that looks. Or wearing your little dainty satin slip dress with your Doc Martens is just such a fun look for going out. I will never get over satin or silk. Like, I want my wedding dress to just be a little slip dress now. I'm not getting married, but okay. The next trend I keep seeing, and honestly my favorite ever, something I started dipping my toe into, honestly right when I started dating Brandon, and that's oversized everything. I think it's really coming in and looking so chic and not sloppy or like pajamas, and it's just comfy. Like, I don't know how you can not want to participate in this trend. The thing I love about saying like back to basics or oversize everything for trends is a lot of times you already have pieces in your closet that can encapsulate these trends. This isn't something where you have to go out and buy a certain item, like the vest. This is something like if you don't have it, you can't participate in the trend unless you go out and buy it. But oversized everything, start putting together your pieces that are oversized that you wouldn't normally think about. Put your hair in a slick bun. Trust me, slick bun always works to really get away from feeling like just sloppy. Wide leg trousers are the best thing that have ever happened to me. And pairing that with an oversized sweater, an oversized crew neck, a hoodie, a big baggy t-shirt, anything, you can look so chic. The next trend I think I've talked about in a past like fall or winter trends video, but I'm still gonna talk about it because to me it's still trending, even if it's not new. And that's winter whites. So I have a pair of white wide leg jeans from ASOS. I think I got them in like 2018. And I started wearing them in the winter, and you look so chic. I don't care about the whatever, no white pants after Labor Day rule. It doesn't apply in my life. It's so freaking cute. I love winter whites, or just really beige tones, neutral tones, all in one outfit. Normally when I would think of wearing those white pants, I would think, okay, then I need a contrasting color on top. Again, this is a trend that you can totally just do with what you have in your wardrobe. Instead of pairing your whites with your blacks or contrasting colors, try doing an all beige and all white and all neutral tone outfit, and it'll give you such a clean, chic look. Literally, I sent Brandon an outfit where I was wearing all white. I was wearing the satin pajama pants and then a white leftover booth t-shirt, and the exact thing he said to me was, "You look clean and dangerous." And I guess that's my aesthetic. Something, again, that's been trending for a while, but I don't see it going anywhere. I've talked about them so many times. Cowboy boots. I just did a whole TikTok on all my new cowboy boots because I recently just got this pair. My brother's girlfriend, Breege, got me this pair at a thrift store in Chicago. And the bottom says $10.70, but I can't believe that these are only $10.70. I'm gonna have to ask her. But cowboy boots. I will continue wearing them in the fall and winter time. To me, they're just boots. I don't know if anybody wants to talk about it, but they work as winter boots. They're just a leather boot. I've been wearing them for a year now, and I just can't imagine them going anywhere. And even if they do become not so trendy anymore, I will still be wearing them. And also, I know it's a lot easier to style your cowboy boots in the summertime with dresses and shorts where you really get to show off that boot. So if you guys would want to see a fall and winter outfit guide for cowboy boots, let me know. Again, something that I had last year, but I don't mean to say that in that way that comes off, okay? I want to express the longevity of these items and the trends I'm talking about. To me, these aren't going to be things where if you start or keep wearing them when they're not trendy anymore or like at peak trendiness, they're still going to be cute. That's why I'm expressing that I was wearing these before the hype, but not in a way that I brought the hype or like I was ahead of everybody. No, like this one, literally, just listen. So I have been seeing so many girls wearing varsity jackets and, you know, the NASCAR jackets, whatever. I feel like the NASCAR jackets have had their moment a while ago, but the varsity jackets are like the newer thing of that. I think it was last winter. My dad went on Facebook Marketplace and got me a Triumph Motorcycles varsity jacket, and it was definitely 2 winters ago. And I absolutely adore it. It's just a neutral color. It's black and beige, and I wear it all the time. But a varsity jacket, I bet so many of you have varsity jackets from high school, or yeah. I bet so many of you have varsity jackets from high school, and even though it might seem like cringe to like wear your varsity jacket, outside of high school. Like swap with a friend, and I don't know why, but to me it's like less cringy if you're wearing somebody else's varsity jacket. Does anybody else feel like that? Because they're freaking expensive. Like, wear them. I never got one because I was never varsity anything. But if you have it, like my friend Shoshi and I were literally talking about how cute they are, and she was like, it's weird though to wear my own letter jacket from high school. She was like, but if you want to wear it and then give it back to me like later, you can do that. And I thought that was a really cute idea, to swap with your friends who like went to different schools. And it's just like a conversation starter. I think it's cute. Next trend I've been seeing a lot recently are oversized cardigans. I think last year we were seeing a lot more of the tight fitted cardigans, almost like cropped, thinner material, and now it's that chunky, thick, oversized cardigan again. Not like this is really anything new. I bet a lot of you still have these in your wardrobe from whenever. They're always kind of cute. They always are cute. I have a few from Everlane that I got last year that I still love, a few that I thrifted, and I really like the look of it now with like a normal box graphic tee underneath and peeking when you have it buttoned up. And the last trend I wanted to talk about, you guys are gonna think I'm stupid, is plaid. I feel dumb saying it, but plaid is always trending in the fall time, but I think we're seeing it a lot more in like Sherpa and like unconventional ways, not like a flannel plaid. A flannel plaid is still super cute in the fall time. This is just a new way I've been seeing it in the Sherpa. And Brandon has had Sherpa plaid, lots of Sherpa plaid things for a while now, and I always thought they were so cute. Now I'm seeing more companies come out with it and I'm absolutely loving it. So even a patterned Sherpa is super cute, and we were seeing them a bit last year. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna end it there. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below what fall trends you're excited for, what you'll be participating in or what you won't be participating in, because you don't have to buy everything that's trendy. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys in a few days. I love you the absolute most. Bye.